Hey everyone, Mark here again at Seaway Hyundai here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle. 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe preferred all-wheel drive. I was able to buy two of them, and boy am I happy to get one in earthy bronze. Definitely one of our more popular colors when they redesigned the Santa Fe in 2019. So again, this is the preferred all-wheel drive, midline package, tons of safety features, which I'll go over very shortly. We like to do a quick walk around the outside of the vehicle, show you the condition of the vehicle. Again, you get the H-Track all-wheel drive, nice safety feature in itself. Got the gorgeous alloy wheels, got some chrome around the windows, chrome around the bottom there, really makes it pop. Got turn signal indicators in the mirrors, there's those nice alloy wheels. Fog lights, big beefy Hyundai grille. So you can see hood's in nice shape. Roof's in nice shape. We like to show you all this to make sure you say, well, is there any snow brush damage or anything like that? We wouldn't buy those cars. So again, you got the side rails, side rails, sorry, you can always put cross rails on here, add a ski carrier, kayak carrier, anything like that. So, good size trunk for a full-size SUV. It is a 5-passenger. Got the jack down here, there's the box, the jack. You got some additional storage rooms in here. So again, those things definitely hide your stuff, which is nice. You got the adapter right here, 120 volt. You've got split folding 60/40 rear seats. You got anchors on all 3 seats, which is really nice. You got up to 3 car seats or anything like that. Like me, definitely has the ability to lock your kids in, keep them safe, which it's all about. Santa Fe really has become a vehicle that's all about safety, which I'll show you some of the safety features very shortly. We have power windows, these awesome privacy shades, which are great. I love the privacy shades, keep the sun off the kids. Or if you have animals, also great for animals. Nice, it's like a dark gray cloth with some stitching here, it kind of makes it pop. You got some cup holders here, you can fold that up. Room for 5, rear vents, some plugs there for the kids if they need to charge their stuff. So again, some nice features. So let's get up to the front. Proximity key and push button start. So no more need to have your key fondle for the remote. Just have it on your pocket. Hit that button, unlocks your doors. Hit that button when you get out, locks your doors. Very simple. All your power windows, power locks, power mirrors, the ability to lock the rear windows, which is a great feature, especially if you have kids. Power driver's seat with lumbar support. So again, nice feature. There's more than one driver. You can toggle through that, get it to your needs. This is also tilt and telescopic, so you can bring it out, bring it in, bring it up, bring it down. So here's some of the additional safety features. Well, interior illumination, not a safety feature, but a nice feature. Adaptive cruise control. You've got lane departure warning. You've got 4-wheel drive lock, traction control, which you can shut off. So again, nice features there. We're gonna jump in, push button start. So let's talk about some of the interior features. Let me just shut that. There we go. Now you can hear me well. So on the left-hand side, you got all your volume controls, Bluetooth hands-free calling. On the right-hand side, this leather-wrapped steering wheel. You got your cruise controls. You can also adjust on the adaptive cruise how close your vehicle gets to the other vehicle. So again, nice feature to have. You also have a preference sheet here, which you can toggle through, set some of the settings to personalize your vehicle. Again, nice feature. We usually ask customers to toggle through it to see what applies to them. You got electric parking brake, you got rear park sensors, which you can shut off. Again, here's your adaptive cruise, which you can also shut off and just use regular cruise. You got downhill brake assist control, and you have drive mode, so you can drive it in normal, smart, comfort, sport, or smart mode. You got different ways to drive the vehicle. We tell customers toggle through, see what works best for them. You got your inputs down here, which are nice features to have. Here's your temperature area. You've got 3-stage heated seats on both sides. You've got a heated steering wheel. Again, dual zone climate control. So one's a little hotter, one's a little cooler. Boom, no problem. The Santa Fe's got you covered. And if we move up, here's your infotainment center, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. If I've said it once, I've said it 100 times. Access, you plug your phone in, your Apple phone, your Android phone. Access to nav, traffic reports, access to all your apps, your music, it's all there. But again, nav and traffic reports, great feature if you're planning a trip out of town. And here's your backup camera. And the nice part about Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, again, I say it every time you probably watch some of these videos, but now you don't have to go up to, let's say, a top line model or go get a GPS you plant here. It's built in right there. Just use your phone. And you've seen the kilometers, and you know we have warranty up to 100,000 kilometers. So this is a great buy. So again, as always, call, text, or email if you have any questions. We appreciate you joining us in the virtual showroom today, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Appointments are encouraged. Thanks for shopping at Hyundai. As always, shop 24/7 at hyundai.com.